Hey folks, Alan Manick, the HotRodHippie here, coming to you from SEMA 2018. I'm in the Sunex booth right now, checking out what they have on display for you folks. Let's go ahead and check it out. One of the things Sunex has going for it right now is their tool storage options. They're really expanding their line in a lot of ways. This toolbox right here has a nice new American patriotic theme to the front of it. They've been working with an independent artist to go ahead and create custom designs for their tool storage options. They've got their Eleanor tool cart over here. It's a new design they released today at SEMA 2018, the first day of the show. They have this new line of pin-up themed tool storage tool carts to display, and you can have that neat hot rod kind of classic aspect going in your shop with these tool storage options to work on the vehicle or just store your tools off to the side. Sunex has been long known for their jacks. They are big in the jack game. I personally have one of their 3.5-ton jacks I've been using for a long time. This is the new design of 3.5-ton jack that they have. This new jack has a new lower profile design. It's a little more sleek, a little more Sunex. They're trying to make themselves stand out in the market so you can look at something and immediately identify it. That's a Sunex jack, that's a Sunex tool. It has branding on the back cover for the pump mechanism. This jack is, like their previous 3.5-ton jack, a quick to load design with a dual pump system. It's got a heavy-duty steel welded construction frame. A lot of import equipment you will find has really poor quality welds, real poor quality castings and such. They really were not going to stand for that when it came to their products. They made sure the quality is where they need it to be. Sunex has been in the tool business for about 40 years now, so they've been around, but a lot of folks aren't quite that familiar with them. They're trying to change that with their new branding on a lot of their hardline tools, a lot of their newer designed things. You can see the designs on their screwdrivers, their pliers. They are an updated design. They're really stepping up, not only focusing on what the user wants, the mechanic, the homeowner, what they're looking for, but also branding it so you really know that's a tool that they respect. Personally, I've always kind of said when I used to sell tools, anything where you don't have the name emblazoned on it, where it's not something that they seem to be proud of themselves, why would you be interested in the product? They are really making a point about changing that when it comes to their tools. When it comes to things like even their screwdriver set, they thought about things like branding it on the end of the screwdriver. So it'll tell you that it is a number 2 Phillips head. That's great when you're using it in conjunction with one of their tool carts or your own tool cart where your screwdrivers stand up, so you can at a glance tell which screwdriver it is you're looking for and grab it and not have to pull out each individual one to figure out which one it is you want and need. Change in their branding on their tools, the change of their designs is not just limited to pliers, screwdrivers, jacks. It is all coming around to every part of their product line. You can see here some of their new ratchet and socket sets. They have the high visibility numbers on the sockets to make it easy to identify what it is you're working with, as well as the ratchets being an 80-tooth ratcheting mechanism to fit into tighter places. I've made a point in the past in Tooltip Tuesdays about fine tooth ratchets. They really make life a whole lot easier when you're working in tight engine compartments, tight areas that are very common nowadays. They're really thinking about that with their newer ergonomic designs and high fine tooth count designs. Their socket sets come in nice blow molded cases to really have a easy to handle travel design. I love this kind of setup for putting in the back of a pickup truck into your car so you can travel with it easily and keep everything organized. You're not losing that 10mm socket that everybody loses. You really keep focused on your tools, keeping them your own. They're also, all of this stuff is lifetime warranty. Their hardline tools are really quality and they want to take care of them. They replace these things with full new tools. When you contact them and get in touch with them, they will send you the new tool so you are satisfied with the product you're picking up. And that's a little tour around the Sunex booth here, checking out the products that they have available for you to make your life easier. I'm really interested in that new 3.5-ton jack. They said that it's probably not going to be out till Q2 of 2019, but that's a really interesting new redesign on a jack that I already personally quite liked. I like the low profile saddle design of that thing. I'm definitely going to be looking for one of those in my future. So I'm going to continue on with SEMA 2018. Thanks for checking out this video. Folks, you can go ahead and find a link to Sunex's social media as well as their website down below where you can consider picking up some of the products that they have. Go ahead and drop this video a like if you found it interesting. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you like Sunex products? Do you use them? Have you checked them out lately? Seen what they're doing with their newer line of tools? And go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more content like this all week long from SEMA 2018.